Good morning, friends. So last class we discussed about the frequency response analysis and frequency response specifications and introduction to Bordeaux plot. That is nothing but what is Bordeaux plot. So how many plots are there in Bordeaux plot and the basic factors of Bordeaux plot. Now go for the problem. The given open loop transfer function g of s is equal to ks square by 1 plus 0.2s into 1 plus 0.02s. So sketch the Bordeaux plot. So and also determine the k value when gain crossover frequency is 0.5 radians per second. Suppose the given open loop transfer function, first of all you have to observe the given open loop transfer function is 1 plus st form or not. That is 1 plus st form or not. It is not in 1 plus st form, so put in 1 plus st form and then substitute s is equal to j omega. So you can look at the open loop transfer function ks square by 1 plus 0.2s, 1 plus 0.02s, that is 1 plus st, 1 plus st. So that is nothing but given open loop transfer function is in the form of 1 plus st. So that's why directly put s is equal to j omega in the given transfer function. Because of frequency response analysis, that's why s domain must be converted into frequency domain. That put s is equal to j omega. Therefore g of j omega equal to k into j omega square by 1 plus 0.2 j omega, 1 plus 0.02 j omega. Now we have to determine the first of all corner frequencies. Corner frequency means 1 by t. Already 1 plus st form is there. Now corner frequency is nothing but 1 by t. Omega c1 equal to 1 by t1, omega c2 equal to 1 by t2. So that is, suppose put k equal to 1, the g of j omega value equal to minus j square is minus 1, that is minus omega square by 1 plus 0.2 j omega, 1 plus 0.02 j omega. Now so corner frequencies. Corner frequency omega c1. So corner frequencies are arranged in a increasing order. The frequency must be increasing order. So omega c1 is nothing but 1 by t1, that is 1 by 0.2. 1 by 0.2, this is 5 radians per second. And also omega c2, second corner frequency 1 by t2, that is 1 by 0.02. So this is 50 radians per second. Now after finding the two corner frequencies, so we have to arrange a table, that is, so we have to calculate a slope, change in slope. So that's why, so we have to give you one table here, factor, slope, corner frequencies, that is radians per second, and also slope, dB for decay, decibel for decay, and also change in slope. This is also decibel for decay. Now what is the factor is nothing but, now given open loop transfer function must be divided into some factors. Suppose, so it may be divided into, so ks square, so this is the first factor. So second factor is 1 by 1 plus 0.2s, and third factor is 1 by 1 plus 0.02s. To combine that one, we are getting the open loop transfer function. That's why, so three different factors, we have taken three different factors. So first factor is, that is minus omega square. So minus omega square. So this is, that is 2 zeros placed at the origin, 2 zeros placed at the origin. There is no corner frequency. Why? Because, so this is not a 1 plus st form, that's why there is no corner frequency. And slope, so 1 0, so 20 dB for decay. Now here 2 zeros are there, that's why plus 40 for decay. So plus 40 for dB for decay. Suppose for one pole minus 20 dB for decay, for 1 0 plus 20 dB for decay. Here 2 zeros are located at the origin, that's why plus 40 dB for decay. Change in slope is also plus 40 dB for decay. Now second factor is 1 by 1 plus 0.2s. Here corner frequency is there 1 by 0.2, that is equal to 5 radians per second. So now this is pole, so that's why the slope is minus 20. So slope is minus 20. Now change in slope is nothing but, so before slope plus this slope, that is nothing but these two adding. So plus 40 minus 20. So plus 40 minus 20, that is equal to plus 20. This is the change in slope. And second one, 1 plus 0.02s omega c2 equal to 1 by 0.02, that is 50 radians per second. So this is also another pole, that is slope is minus 20 dB for decay. Now change in slope, plus 20 minus 20. Plus 20 minus 20, that is 0 dB for decay. So this is the table for different factors. Now now we have to assume a 50 Ts corner frequencies. So let us assume a lower corner frequency less than the first corner frequency, and also choose higher corner frequency greater than the omega c2, that is we have to choose two 50 Ts are assumed corner frequency, that is omega L less than omega c1 and also omega H greater than omega c2. Let us assume omega L equal to 0.5 radians per second. So because of omega c1 is 5 radians per second, so we can assume 4 radians per second or 3 radians per second, but I am taking 0.5 radians per second. And similar manner, omega H is equal to omega c2 is 50, taken 60, 70 or whatever maybe, I am taking 100 radians per second. So now calculate the magnitude. So let us assume here magnitude A equal to, so 20 log first term. What is the first term? Omega square. So omega square, 20 log omega square. For first two slopes we have to calculate the gain. So by using this formula 20 log first term, that is at gain at omega equal to omega L, that is equal to 0.5. So 20 log 0.5 square. So this must be equal to, by using calculator we can calculate this one value, minus 12 dB. So another one, gain at omega equal to omega c1 equal to 5 radians per second, 20 log 5 square. So this value is 28 plus 28 dB. So now another value we have to calculate the gain at omega equal to omega c2. So we cannot replace this formula, we can replace another formula because of here at omega c1, omega c2, the change in slope is available. That's why go for the formula change in slope from omega c1 to omega c2 multiplied by log omega c2 by omega c1 plus gain at omega c1. So slope from omega c1 to omega c2, change in slope from omega c1 to omega c2, and log omega c2 by omega c1 plus gain at omega equal to omega c1. So this is, so plus 20 is the change in slope from gain 1 to omega c1 to omega c2. So 20 log omega c2 is 50 and omega c1 is 5 plus gain at omega c1 28 dB. So you can calculate with the help of calci. So we are getting 48 dB because of log 10. So log 10 base 10. So 5 by 50 is nothing but log 10 base 10. This value is 1. 20 plus 28. So 48 dB. So omega equal to omega c2 48 dB. Now calculate the gain at omega equal to omega h. This is also same formula. Change in slope from now omega c2 to omega h. So omega c2 to omega h multiplied by log omega h by omega c2 plus gain at omega c2. Now what is the slope from omega c2 to omega 0? This is 0 value. So cannot mention here omega h. So 0 dB is going to the higher frequency, that is change in slope is 0. 0 multiplied by log omega h 100 by 50 base 10 plus 48 dB. So there is nothing but 48 dB. So omega equal to omega h. So like that we have to calculate the magnitude. So with the different frequency variations. So that's why total we have taken some table. So omega and also gain. So values are 0.5, 5, 50, 100. So this is minus 12 dB, plus 28, 48, 48. So by using this table, so take the in similar graph sheet, y-axis is, so 1 unit is 10 dB and x-axis is 0.1 like that. So we have to draw the magnitude plot. Now go for the phase plot. So first magnitude plot is completed and second plot is phase plot. Phase plot is drawn between phase angle in degrees versus log omega. So that's why, so pi equal to pi 1 plus pi 2 plus pi 3. Why? Because here three factors are there. So first factor is two zeros located at the origin, and second factor is one pole, and third factor is another pole. So two zeros, that is pi 1 is equal to, so tan inverse of 2 into 2 poles are, that's why 2 into tan inverse of, so omega by 0, this is infinity, tan inverse of infinity. So 2 into 90 degrees, that is equal to 180 degrees, and pi 2. So pi 2 is nothing but the value is in denominator, that's why minus tan inverse of imaginary part by real part. Imaginary part is 0.2 omega by real part is 1. So 0.2 omega by 1. So this is minus tan inverse of 0.2 omega, and third one pi 3 is minus tan inverse of 0.02 omega by 1. So this is minus tan inverse of, so 0.02 omega. So pi 1, pi 2, pi 3. Now collaborate all these angles and we are getting a total phase angle of the given Bodeau plot is pi is equal to pi 1 180 degrees minus tan inverse of 0.2 omega minus tan inverse of 0.02 omega. Now substitute different values. Now substitute different values of omega. We are getting different phase angles. So that is pi and also omega. Different omega values and also pi. Take the table. So these four values must and should have to calculate the pi value, that is 0.5, 5, 50, 100. So in between these two you can add 3 or more readings because of to get this smooth curve. So that's why I am taking 1, I am taking 10. So for these 5 values I am calculating the phase angles. Put omega equal to 0.5. So the value is 173.7. So 173.7 approximately 174 degrees. So this is in degrees. So suppose you have to put 1 omega equal to 1, the value is 167.6. 167.6 approximately 168 degrees, and suppose you have to put omega equal to 5, 129.3, 129.3 approximately 130 degrees, and we have to substitute omega equal to 10, the value is 105.3, so approximately 106 degrees, and suppose you have to put omega equal to 50 radians per second, the value is 50.7 approximately 51 degrees, and lastly we put omega equal to 100 radians per second. We are getting 29.5 approximately 30 degrees. So this is radians per second and this is degrees. So we are getting the magnitude plot different values, and we are also getting the phase plot for different values. So draw the magnitude in decibel versus frequency. We are getting the magnitude plot, and also draw the phase angle in degrees versus frequency in radians per second. We are getting the phase plot. So now we have to draw the border plot clearly with the help of these values. This is magnitude plot and this is log omega. Log omega. So I am taking scale is 1 unit 10 dB for decay. So 20, 30, 40, 50. Similar manner, minus 10, minus 20. Minus 30, minus 40, minus 50, minus 50. So here also 0.1, 0.5, 1, 5, 10, 50, 100. So now you have to draw the first of all the magnitude plot. So similarly here also you have to take this is the phase plot, pi in degrees versus log omega, magnitude in decibel versus log omega. So suppose this is my plus 20 degrees, 40 degrees, 60 degrees, 80 degrees, 100 degrees, 120 degrees, 140 degrees, 160 degrees, 180 degrees, like that we have to draw the. So we have to, so that is nothing but scale is here 1 unit equal to 10 dB and also 1 unit equal to 20 degrees. For draw the magnitude plot for 0.5 the value is minus 12 dB. So 0.5 the value is, this is minus 12. So this is minus 12 dB. Suppose for 5 radians per second, the value is 28 dB. So 5 radians per second, the value is, so like this is 28 dB for day, 28 dB for decay, 28 dB. So next the value is 50. So the value for 50 the value is 48, and also 100 this is also. Now we have to draw with the help of scale. A smooth curve will be drawn like this. With the help of scale we have to draw the smooth curve like this. This is 0 dB here, 0 dB for decay, change in slope. Here 20 dB for decay. Here 20 dB for decay, here 40 dB for decay. So this graph is for k equal to 1. K equal to 1. Now draw the phase plot. After that we have to draw the, so for k value, finding the k value and then draw the original magnitude plot. So for suppose 0.5 the 174 degrees, that is 0.5. So value is 174 degrees like this. 168 degrees, and 5 130 degrees. So like this, 130 degrees. 10 106 degrees. So 50 51 degrees. So 51 degrees like this here. And lastly 100 30 degrees. So magnitude plot is drawn with the help of scale, but phase plot is not. So it is a smooth hand driven. So it is a phase plot. Now I have to derive this. So this is the Bordeaux plot for a given open loop transfer function, but they find out the k value at omega gc equal to 0.5 radians per second. Gain class over frequency they given. So for that we have to calculate the k value. They given gain class over frequency. At gain class over frequency, the dB value must be equal to 0. But so 5 radians per second they given. At this 5 radians per second, the dB value must be equal to 0. But actually in problem, omega c1 equal to 5 radians per second. So at this 5 radians per second, the magnitude is 20 plus 28 dB. So but actually dB is 0, but our value is 28. So we have to add minus 28 dB each and every point of a magnitude plot. We are getting the 0 dB at 5 radians per second. That's why 20 log k base 10 equal to minus 28. So that is log k base 10 is equal to minus 28 by 20. K equal to 10 power minus 28 by 20. So this value is 0.0398. So k value. So for that k value, okay, we have to draw the magnitude plot of Bordeaux plot. So each and every point we have to add minus 28 dB. So this is minus 12. Add minus 28, that is minus 40. This is the minus 40. This is plus 28. Add minus 28, that is 0 dB. This is 48, add minus 28, that is plus 28. This is also plus 28. Now with the help of scale, draw the Bordeaux plot. So here k value is 0.0398 and this is the original graph or assumed graph, that is if k equal to 1, but this is the original k value graph, Bordeaux plot graph. So like that we have to draw the Bordeaux diagram, both magnitude curve and also phase angle curve. From this curve we have to determine the gain margin, phase margin and the stability also. So this is about given problem. So thank you. To see this video, please subscribe the DBS Talks.